Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The night spirit producing pure bounty found the door of liberation, causing all sentient beings' desires to be fulfilled. At that time, the night spirit, pure light of universal virtue, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over all the night spirits and said in verse, "You all should observe the Buddha's action, its vastness, serenity, and space-like character. The shoreless sea of craving he purifies completely, his undefiled majesty illumining all quarters. All beings like to see the Buddha, met with but once in countless eons, compassionately mindful of all beings, extending to all. This liberation door world observer sees. The guide saves and protects all worlds. All beings see him before them, able to purify all realms of existence. This world guardian ably observes." In the past, Buddha cultivated an ocean of joy, vast, boundless, beyond all measure. Therefore, those who see are all delighted. This is realized by silent sound. The realm of the Buddha is immeasurable, tranquil yet able to preach throughout all quarters, causing all beings' minds to be pure. The night spirit's splendor, hearing, rejoices. Among sentient beings who have no blessings, Buddha's array of great blessing majestically shine, showing them the way of serenity beyond the dusts of the world. Causing flowers to bloom everywhere realizes this way. Displaying great mystic powers everywhere, taming all sentient beings, he makes them see various physical forms. This the guardian nourisher perceives. In the past, Buddha spent every moment purifying the ocean of means and compassion, to save all beings in all of the worlds. This is the liberation of blissful happiness. Sentient beings are ignorant, always muddled. The stubborn poisons of their minds are much to be feared. The Buddha appears for their sake out of pity. This enemy-destroyer realizes with joy. The Buddha's past practice was for sentient beings, to let them satisfy their aspirations. Because of this, he has developed virtuous characteristics.